Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am doing the unboxing of the Cocoa Daisy February collection. It is called Wonderland, and it has this Alice in Wonderland kind of theme to it. Well, I mean, kind of, it is an Alice in Wonderland theme. Everything is so darling. And I have the memory keeping sticker kit, the modern memory keeping kit, which is the pocket page cards, and then the 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit. So let's get started. So as an additional thing, they did send me the stamp that I believe is available in the door, in the traveler's notebook, in the dory they call it. And it's the, what do you say, like a prototype. It just doesn't have the black overlay, but it's like a little frog, the little rabbit, a key, a little sprig, some hearts, this little ticket, and then a few like text pieces, but I can't really see what it is, but I'll stamp it when we do a project. So for the Modern Memory sticker kit, I did enjoy this last month, and I made my memory planner spreads with it. So we'll probably do the same this year. So we have this little sticker here. It's on clear or washi tape sticker paper. This one's paper. So you got the red, the pink, and the corals, black and white. More of this, of the like rectangle ones for the space. Numbers, some washi tape strips, tiny word phrases, icons. These are all on paper. And paper. Cute. And it's a red font, a classic font. And then this is the washi tape sticker, or that clear stickers. Love the little cupcakes. Very, very cute. Then for the Modern Memory Keeping Kit, so I did kind of look through it a little bit so I can see the cards. I always love these envelopes. For this time, we get a actual little mini stamp ink. So it's called Party Pink. And then the other little mini thing was these little baby, like clips, like binder clips. So tiny. Here is the stamp that comes with the Modern Memory Keeping Kit. So, love meant to be an adventure, feeling the love, we're all mad here, Feb, remember this moment, there's a little Mad Hatter, a clock, the ticket. If you knew the time as well as I do, said the Hatter, you wouldn't talk about wasting it. We have the die cut pack. So, the die cut pack, I've learned, they are stickers. So, you just peel off the back. So, I had to redo some things I did last month because I just put like glue or double-sided tape on there, and I would learn that they're already stickers. So a bunch of tags, Curiouser and Curiouser. There's Miss Alice, a little ticket, more tickets, a little frame, a little flower, a little heart. So definitely like a ticket tag icons. The cupcake's really cute. And a few tiny embellishments, so that's cute. And what I remember, if it's the same, we'll see. These die cuts are similar to the ones that are in the 12 by 12 kit as well. So I'll worry about putting those back off camera, so I don't waste time doing that. So then the 4 by 6 cards. Very cute. Love that one for journaling. And I believe this is going to be a repeating one. Like, so we'll always get a calendar card. That'll be each month. So those are the 4 by 6. Let's do these cards. So here's the February. So there was always a February one as well. This one was also a repeat. So we always have the calendar. Oh. I just love, for me, Valentine's Day is like my second favorite one, because I think red and pink together is one of my favorite color combinations. Oh, it's like a true illustration from the story. We're all mad here. The cards are just a great element too. So there's a spades, there's the cards again. Oh, I just want to do a layout with those. Those are so cute. There we got Tweedledee and Tweedledum. And what I always love too, it's the combination of pattern papered cards, sentiment cards, you know, and then plenty of the ones that you can journal on as well. So the combinations are definitely here in this kit. So I'm very excited about it every month. And I love that one too. You get the pink, red, and white enamel hearts that have the glitter in there. So they do have the glitter sparkle like last month's did with blue and white. We have little baby envelopes. So these is a pack. How many come in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are the envelopes where, you know, you fold this in It's not scored, but they're fairly easy to do. And then you have the little envelope for something cute. I see. There you go. Adorbs. Adorable, adorable. So that's how they go. So you got 4 of those in this kit. Here are this rub-ons. Love that. Love the little cupcakes. Love the little flamingo. I do like a lot of the elements on this. So this is going to be fun. Get daisy planner stickers. And then the 6, so we got puffy letters. So last month they were navy. This month they are black. Love the classic font. Love that they're puffy and matte. And then it's 2 of each sheet. So here are the 2. This is the back and this one's that. Then this, some tag icons, and then like pages from the book. And then the pages from a dictionary looks, and then the checker page. So this is the Modern Memory Keeping Kit, which is the cards. Let me show you the next kit. Okay, next is the 12 by 12 memory keeping kit. You do get a roll of washi. This is like that middle-sized one. And it's like black with a gray, like flourish, or how do you call it? Like a damask. Black with gray. Very classic. So this can be used definitely on other projects in the future because of its neutral tones. We get those envelopes again, so I don't have to demo that. This is just the card that always shows the collection, and I did use it last month. We have the tags. I do believe there are 3 in here. 2, 3. There you go. Just beautiful illustrations. You see her hair? Look at that flower. And then these 2, like a watercolor. Very lovely illustrations. Here's the die cut pack. So this one, I believe, is the repeat. Yeah, this one seems to be the repeat from the other kit. But then this one, we also have like a pack of tags, which is exciting. I always love, yeah, a pack of tags and labels and journaling areas. Very cute. Another set of rub-ons. That's, yeah. Ooh, love everything on here. These are the rub-ons for this kit. Remember, the papers repeat. So we have the 2 sheets of each. So these repeat, and the alphas repeat. So now that's the black matte. This is the sticker that comes this month. Stationery. And then here are the papers. And once again, we have 2 of each. So here's the front and here is the back. Love both of them. Here's the front, here's the back. I love them. The only thing I think bugs me is the cream in the background. Like if it was on a bright white, this would be definitely doable. But I will figure out how to make this work creatively. I will figure it out. Love this one. And then what's the back side of this? Oh, and the text paper. Yeah, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous, and this is gorgeous. So I like that they have like the illustrations and then a good size side B pattern, which is usually a pattern. So front and back. I like this too. So imagine having so that tag set, you know, this is these all cut up. Yep, there's that one. There's that one. Yeah. So that's cool. So you get, in essence, this page is cut up for your desired needs. Cool, huh? All right. Okay, so that's that one. And then, oh, 2 more. This little tea party ticket by invite only. And in the back, oh, it's a nice little text with some mixed media in it. It's good background, good background. And then this lovely floral. Oh, and a solid, nice neutral. Fun. Okay. So I will leave this video just as the unboxing. We're going to be stay tuned for all of my projects that come. There will be 4 in total. So stay tuned for those. Thank you for joining me. I will leave everything linked down below in case you're curious to check out anything I have shared with you. Remember, these are all Cocoa Daisy. It is the 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit, which is fairly new. The Modern Memory Keeping Kit, which has been around because I remember that one I subscribed to when I was a subby last year. So that one's good. And the cards are a good variety. And then it was the sticker set. So I definitely will always probably use the sticker collection in my memory planner. So for February, we'll have these oh so cute ones to use on my layouts, which will just be fun. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!